Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send USDT from your Binance to another Binance account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. If you're new to Binance, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below, where it will refer you to make an account with up to 100 euros bonus as our special offer. So the easiest method to send USDT from Binance to another account is to open your Binance application right here. And then from here, as you can see in the coin market section, you can see all the coins that you might select from. Or you can go to your portfolio, and then from here you can choose for the Tether USD. Now what you're going to do is going to click on Take Out, and then you're going to click on Withdraw. And this is going to be the list for you to take out your money to another Binance account. Now to get the Binance account address, all you have to do is go back, and then from here you're going to go to Add Funds. And then it's going to say deposit crypto, so you're going to click on it, and then from here you're going to select for USDT, and as you can see, you will select whichever network you might like or the other person's account, and then from here click on BNB Smart Chain, and as you can see, this is your address right here. We're going to copy it, then go back, do the same steps where you're going to tether, and then take out, withdraw, and then you're going to paste the address right over here. And then you're going to select whichever network you might like. So for here, we can select BNB Smart Chain, and then we can select whatever amount we would like. So 50, for example, and then you can click on withdraw. Now you can do this with your own accounts if you have multiple, or you can do that with a friend or family member, and they can give you your Binance account, and it's just easy as that. And since you are transferring from one Binance account to another, then it will be with much lower fees. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.